Bahadur Tatya Tope, born in 1814, was one of the bravest generals of the 1857 Indian Rebellion. A loyal and strategic warrior, he was closely associated with Nana Sahib, fought alongside Nana Sahib, but after the fall of Kanpur, he was sent to help Rani Lakshmibai. So he joined forces with Rani Lakshmibai of Jhansi, the fearless queen. He helped her reclaim control of the Gwalior Fort, leading bold charges and coordinating the army.
Soldiers, to the guns! Fire on their flank! Yes! For our homeland!
His expertise in cavalry and battlefield tactics made him instrumental in these victories, earning him fame as a brilliant strategist. His ability to combine strategy with courage made him a formidable opponent for the British East India Company. When the Gwalior Fort fell and Rani was killed, he did not lose hope and continued the resistance against EIC. He mastered guerrilla warfare, striking suddenly from the forests, confusing enemy troops, and disappearing before they could retaliate. Ultimately, in 1859, Tantya Tope was betrayed and captured by the British. Despite being overpowered, he remained calm and dignified before his captors. In court, he refused to bow to the British officers, showing the same bravery and resolve that defined his entire life.